I could stay like this, forever following you.
Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here on my YouTube channel, I'm Nicole Patrick and you are welcome. So today's video is going to be about this makeup on my face. So if you love this video after watching it, please give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and thank you so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. So I've done my eyebrows. I use this sleek makeup kit for my eyebrows. It's really good. It's my first time of trying it, and believe me, I really love it. So now I'm going to move on to my eyeshadow, but first of all I'm going to apply this elegant concealer on guys, this is the end of this video, and I will list everything I use in this video in my description box. Please go there and check it out. And if you love this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, comment, share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.